Hello everyone, my name is Lizzette Macedo and I work for the University of Missouri Extension at Clay County, and today I will be showing you how to make a fun and easy recipe, French toast sticks. And we're going to need a mixing bowl, we're going to need a cutting board, a knife, a fork, a spatula, we're going to need an oven mitt or hot pads, and we're going to need a baking sheet. For this recipe, you're going to need 4 slices of whole wheat bread, 2 eggs, half a cup of fat-free milk, some ground cinnamon, and some powdered sugar, as well as some cooking spray. Okay, now that I washed my hands and I cleaned all my surfaces and I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, I'm going to grab my cooking spray and I'm going to spray my baking sheet. Okay, we're going to set that aside. Grab my cutting board and my butter knife, and I will be cutting my slices of bread. First, I like to cut a line along the halfway, and then I like to cut the other lines. You could kind of use your knife to trace them and do like a seesaw motion, back and forth, and that creates the, like, it doesn't tear your bread apart, and it just cuts it better this way, I think. Also, I'm showing you that you can use this butter knife so your kids can help you cut. And there you have your slices. Next, I'm going to grab my bowl and I'm going to put my half a cup of milk, and I'm going to crack my eggs. It is important that you wash your hands after this, since you touch raw egg. But you can, before you can do that, you can mix them up, your eggs and your milk, using your fork.
Next, we're going to soak our pieces of bread in our mixture, and make sure you flip them so they are completely soaked, but don't leave them too long, otherwise they'll break.
Okay, so I already washed my hands from touching the raw egg, and I am going to place these in the oven now, using my oven and my oven tap.
Now that I've carefully removed my sheet from the oven and turned off my oven, I place my sheet on some kitchen towels, and I will be grabbing a few pieces and putting them on my plate. Just try to set them up however you want to. I like to put mine like that. And next I will be putting my powdered cinnamon. It comes with a shaker, so I'm just shaking it on there. I couldn't find a shaker for my powdered sugar, so I'm sprinkling it with my hands. But this is how your toast sticks would look like.
I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for watching and enjoy!